Hello, my dear. Today I am going to show you how to create products in the accounting platform inside Hawk. Halloween is coming and we will add some new products. Go on the left side to the section Products and here click on plus. For example, we want to add a new product. This is a beautiful bath bombs. I am copying it and paste it. So this is a set of 3 bombs shaped like skulls or pumpkins. I add product description. Then I add price and the cost. Congratulations, the product is created. It's the last in our list. Now we want to add a new customer. In order to add a new customer, go to the section Customers, click on plus, and then fill in the form. For example, our customer is Elvira Nightshade, and we will add billing address. She is living certain Moonlight Lane. We don't have apartment. The town name is Shadow Hollow. The state is in California. Country, of course, United States. Postal code 90213. Now we can add telephone number. And now we're going to add email address. We click on create and the customer is created. Thank you very much for watching. Add comment and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.